Hey, Scout, we gotta go fire up the rig. Yeah, come on, Scout. Come on, buddy. Let's go fire up the rig, Scout. Come on.
Well, here we go, guys. I think I'm ready for this little endeavor. I've got a cup of hot, strong coffee. One more minute to the witching hour. Oh, I hope I can work Europe using 100 milliwatts. I'm going to try every single day. My heart's racing right now, by the way. Half scared to death. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.
Hey, guys. I hope you're well. Man, I'm shaking. I'm absolutely shaking. Why did I write on my resistor sheet? This is the resistor sheet that I'll be ordering for that HW16. I'm going to order every resistor in the machine, and thanks for your comments. Cooler heads have prevailed, and I'll only change the ones that are out of spec. Not everyone in the machine. But why did I scribble? Look, N0, Mike India, gave me a 539 signal report. He's a POTA op. And I was running 100 milliwatts. Actual 100 milliwatts measured on my power meter. The resistor on the input of the attenuator was roasting. I love the smell of roasting resistors, but as long as there's no moky rising from it, man, I am just utterly thrilled. I worked N0 MII on the first call. On the very first call. I don't know where he's at. Hang on, I pause. He just signed off. I thought I copied his call sign wrong because my logger doesn't find him as a licensed ham. QRZ doesn't find him as a licensed ham. I thought I copied his call sign wrong, but no. I sat here and listened to him call CQ POTA a bunch of times with a couple takers, but yeah, no, that's his call sign, and QRC doesn't find him. I could look in the FCC's ULS database, but I don't care. If he's a pirate, I'm just glad he's into CW, that's all. Welcome to the band, sir. Yeah, so the mystery deepens. I think he was in Missouri. I was hoping to check and see. Well, I worked him with 100 milliwatts, so there. Oh, boy. I decided to go ahead and check. Let's see. So that was his call, and, oh, God, I'm sorry. N0 MII was his call sign. I mean, I copied it over and over and over again. No search results found for M0 MII. What? He was unlicensed. There's nobody by that call sign, and he was running a POTA operation using it. My hat's off to you, sir. Right on. I hope you had fun, and thank you for using CW. I hope you're well. I'll talk to you later. Man, I'm about tripping out here. Who was he? Who was he? He's not a noob. That's for damn sure. His command of CW was most excellent. I could talk to him all day and all night on CW, man. I liked his fist and his general grasp of abbreviation. He's just an experienced CW op. Operating a POTA operation, unlicensed. Now, I'm not saying my man doesn't have a license. He might, but that's not his call sign. Oh, my God. If the FCC doesn't renew my ticket, maybe I'll adopt N0 MII. I kind of like it. What is going on here? In the words of Dickel Aflocket, what? Stuart, you were just in there, man. I tried to call you using 100 milliwatts, but, oh my God. Stuart, come work me, man. Don't go away. Come work, Bozo.